My name is Didier Goor, and I'm the Clinical Sales Manager for Europe. And I have the pleasure and the honor to guide a team of experts, application specialists across Europe in the OR with our customers, with our users. I mean, it's a pleasure to show you something about the Proveo 8, which is our flagship. Proveo 8 is almost a brand of its own today, and it has been developed with in mind making the surgery safer, more comfortable, and faster if possible. Pulling together all the technologies that are available in microscopy together. So, for instance, integrated high-end, high-definition camera inside the system itself. In this case, it is also equipped with automatic inverters. We have keratoscope, we have automatic tilting, automatic quick focus up and down to facilitate surgeries, especially the quick tilting, for instance, in glaucoma surgeries. It has been thought for all surgeries, from cataracts, anterior segments and posterior segments, of course. So thinking about novelties like the coax systems, coax 4 systems, for instance, having 4 beams illuminating the eye and creating a very stable red reflex, whatever the position of the eye is and at whatever stage of the surgery. Another innovation regards as well optics, which is hard to make innovations in that field today because we've reached such a good level. Altogether is the fusion optics, so binding together two physics characteristics that are a little bit difficult to combine usually, which is depth of field and resolution. So thanks to fusion optics, we can have the best of two worlds. Of course, we are here also to talk about its possible upgrades, and the Proveo 8 is capable of being upgraded to OCT, which is called N-Focus. In this case, we have the N-Focus bar, which is added here on the microscope, and of course also integrated in the stand itself. It exists both for floor stand microscope and ceiling mounted microscopes. In this case, of course, you need an external card. So first of all, you have different views, of course, that go from the normal video to the different OCT views. This is what we call a 50-50, and it allows you to choose the area of scan. And you can see the image is live. We have angles that can be pushed here and changing the format of the scan area. An additional button here that allows you to turn it around. And if I use 2 fingers, I can do this operation directly on the screen as well, increasing the field of view, decreasing and getting a better resolution on the OCT, and orienting the scan as well. The horizontal scan here is visible on the upper part, and the vertical scan here is visible on the lower part. Now, you can also move up and down and select the Z position of your OCT directly on the screen by the finger, or do it in an automated way. The system will then check where the maximum illumination is and whether in cornea or retina will automatically stop. And we can then push a button and get the best possible contrast and illumination. Next, we can take what we call a scan. That means acquiring a full volume here. Now we are taking all the slices and we will be able to navigate them by simply touching here and here. As mentioned, we can change the view and here get what we call the en face view. This is nothing else than the volume acquired with all the slices together and see from the top, which can reveal sometimes things that are actually laying underneath the layers we're looking at in the microscope. And again, moving up and down. Measurement can also be done. We have up to 10 calipers available. It can be added on the screen itself, either live or on acquired images. Now, all this operation here is, of course, on the screen. The maximum freedom is also about giving that power to the surgeon directly. And all these operations I just did are available also from the foot pedal. So if we look from here, I can move the foot pedal left, up and down, right. I can decide changing the status as well, whether to rotate it, whether to make it bigger or smaller. I can then activate the scanning as well, and from here also navigate my volume, either from the foot pedal or, which can be very comfortable as well, from the handle. The change view is also available for the surgeon directly on the microscope as well, like this one, and again navigating the volume. So that's about maximum freedom.